Can Amazon Prime videos be downloaded? Yes, Amazon Prime Video allows users to download movies and TV shows for offline viewing, but there are some restrictions based on content type, device, and subscription. 1. Devices that support downloads. Amazon Prime Video downloads are available on iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, Android devices, smartphones, tablets, Amazon Fire tablets, Windows 10 and Windows 11 apps. 2. How to download Amazon Prime videos. Step 1. Open the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile device. Step 2. Find the movie or TV show you want to download. Step 3. Tap the download button for movies or download episode, channel, or season for TV shows. Step 4. Choose video quality, best, better, good, to control storage usage. Step 5. Once downloaded, access it from the download section in the app. 3. Download limits. You can download content on up to 2 devices per account. Some titles have a limit of 15 to 25 downloads per account. Varies by region. Some rented or purchased movies may not be available for download. 4. How long do downloads last? Downloaded content expires after 30 days if not watched. Once you start watching, you typically have 48 hours before the download expires. Some content may have shorter availability due to licensing restrictions. 5. Can you transfer downloads to another device? No. Downloaded Prime Video content is stored within the app and cannot be transferred or copied to external storage. 6. Can you download on a laptop or PC? Yes, but only through the Amazon Prime Video app for Windows 10 and 11. Web browsers do not support downloads. 7. Can you watch downloads without an internet connection? Yes, once a video is downloaded, you can watch it offline without needing an internet connection. 8. Are all movies and shows available for download? Most Prime originals and licensed content are downloadable. Some third-party content may not be available due to licensing restrictions. 9. Can you change download quality? Yes, you can adjust download quality to manage storage space. Best, higher storage, best quality. Better, medium storage, good quality. Good, lowest storage, lower quality. Amazon Prime Video allows downloads for offline viewing on mobile devices, Fire tablets, and Windows apps, but not on web browsers. Downloaded content expires after a set time, and some titles have download